Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTBC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Kind of a tricky chart from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of it depends that goes into it. It depends meaning the strategy. If you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 17.73 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then even with a pullback today, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build an overall higher base. And when you have those overall higher bases being built over time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So I want to be talking about things from a bigger picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different perspective and strategy going into the trade. So case in point here, really from the kind of big picture of things and building those higher bases is right here at, going to call it the $1.65 mark. $1.65 being important, and I'm assuming I'm going to speak for everybody, but the last thing you want to see the price do is go back to where it was, fall back inside of a channel that it just broke out of. And in this example here, you can see that for several days the price was stuck down in this channel right here. So again, I don't like to speak for people, but assuming you're bullish and you're along and you care about the big picture of things, you probably don't want to see the price fall back inside of a channel because that's not what a truly strong move is going to do. A truly strong move is going to make progress forward, not go back to where it was. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation from the grand scheme of things? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. So that's why I say from the big picture, sure, there is a pullback, but the bulls do still have a chance. And I'm defining and quantifying the statement, have a chance as staying up above that $1.65 mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, short term, seem to be some sellers right here around the $1.88, $1.90 mark, whatever you want to call it. And that'll be really kind of the initial level to fight through. Really, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority right now for the chart is going through a healthy consolidation and building that higher base. Because as long as you have those higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So crazy day today. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.